guys, Jackson and I are sitting here just watching TV, and she asked me if she can make slime. So I told her only if you do the video on making slime. So here she is.
Hi.
So she's gonna go step by step as to how to make the video and the consistency and how to knead it and all this words that she uses, and I have no idea because this is insane for me. So anyways, I hope you enjoy.
Okay,
thanks.
So explain step one.
Okay, step one is I'm gonna add my 6-ounce glue. You can also add the 4-ounce glue, but I'm just gonna add the 6-ounce.
And the 4-ounce glue is just the plain white Elmer's glue, correct?
Yes.
Okay, but you're gonna change stuff up and add glitter.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, so step two is now what?
Step two is now I'm gonna add in the activator. I'm using the scented cherry lime activator. You can also use the plain one, but I'm gonna use this one just for fun.
Okay, and how much do you need to put in?
For the 6-ounce, I would say about 6 to 5 caps.
Okay, sounds good. So now step three, what are you doing?
I'm just gonna be mixing the activator into this glue. And you also want to make sure if you're gonna do the white glue, you make sure you do not want to get glue all. Glue all just melts the slime and it won't come together.
Got it. So just plain white
Elmer's glue, yeah.
Got it. So the old school glue. Nice. And now you're just making sure the consistency is just right so you can start kneading it?
Yep. You want to make sure that you get the glue to unstick from the
container
bowl or container before you put your hands in there. Otherwise, your parents will probably get mad because you'll just have a sticky mess everywhere.
Been there, done that. Cool.
Okay, so now on to the very last step of this whole process is what?
So then I have it unsticking from the bowl quite well. Then I'm gonna get pretty much all the slime. Then I'm gonna get in my hands and I'm just gonna start kneading it. You can knead it like this, or you can knead it the way I knead it, and like this.
And it's just going everywhere. Got it. Okay, now I can see it. I was gonna cry. There went my pillows. Awesome. Okay. So there you have it, guys, from my 9-year-old. This is how you make slime. Do you have anything to add, Jax?
No, not really. Just have fun with it.
Cool. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoy.